Tuna Zimbabwe bantu bakithi njengoba lisazi ukuthi lamhlanje ngosuku olukhulu anjo igama lami ngumoyo vele inhliziyo vele angayidli bazulu namhlanje ke sizobeka inkosi yethu khona la eSouth Africa Zimbabwe basukulu into engizathanda ukulichazela yona izindawo lezi vele ngizazibala khona la zindawo zethu vele thina amaZimbabwe sesizithathile anjo siwala iUveli siwala iHebro siwala iPretoria CBD siwala leAlexandra yonkana bazulu ngethu ukusuka eFirst vele yochaya e20 bazulu Zimbabwe ngakho bazulu nxa ungumZimbabwe uhlala ezindaweni zona lezi yabe kumele usazi ukuthi nxa ulenkinga uthinta mina inkosi yenduna induna yenkosi manje into ezokwenzakala ngizathina hamba khona la manje inamba nxa ulenkinga nxa kule South Africa uthintayo mzulu uthinte mina ngizathinta vele ukhokho vula inkosi yethu Zimbabwe ngicela ukuthi sonke sichaya izandla nxa siqeda ufaka umqhele lo enkosini yethu anjo awuzwake ngiwo ke umqhele wenkosi yethu ukhokho vula leni awuzwake ukuthula basukulu njengoba lihleli bona kuleziphuzo khona la imofaya bigcwele bazukulu sabe siphuza sizenzela sizinathela sizijabulela manje kuzasukuma inkosi yethu isitshele vele ukuthi kuzahamba njani sacela ukuthi ke lilalelisisa inhloso Zimbabwe Zimbabwe
bantu bakithi emhlabeni wethu omutsha liyazi la isintu sithi salalelande bantu bakithi sigcwele iSouth Africa yonke anitholele Zimbabwe bantu bakithi antisiphuzo sonke xa kubeka inkosi sijabula njo lingakhohlwa nxa lihamba ukuthi salalane lande South Africa Zimbabwe.
My name is JP Wenkani. This is Red Race News. I'm here in Alexandra. As you can see, there is a little bit of chaos behind me. I'm not sure what's happening, but it seems like Zimbabweans were crowning their own king right here in South Africa. But we're going to call one guy here who's going to explain very well what's happening. My brother, a minute. My brother, how are you? I'm okay, my brother. Can you please tell us what's happening here? What's happening here? Oh, so now you are crowning your own king as Zimbabwe. Oh wow! So what's the name of your king? It's Khokho Vula. So if you don't mind, tell me which places are yours here in South Africa as a king. Does your king have its own land here?
Because you have to very much better. Alexandra, so you have a window. Masibala deep fruit, so you have a waiting. Masibala go heal pro, so and I'm telling so. Very young waiting so. You want to have a sedative mobile some time. Very have a zero, very has a rich so.
Okay, thank you, my brother. Thank you very much. South Africa, I hope you heard for yourself. They said they were crowning their own king right here in South Africa. There are some places which the king is now operating. That was me, JP Wenkani. This is Red Race News. We're gonna keep you updated. Thank you very much.